$10.04. Yep.
That thing.
You mean from instead of 2 nights at Malone Bay, just put 1 night at Malone and then 1 at Hay Bay?
But yeah, that's what I mean.
Well, the reason that I put now 2 at Daisy Farm, we might actually take. But 2 at Chippewa and 2 at Malone Bay are probably not going to be taken. They're just in there.
They're just extra.
We can go anywhere we want. You're like veering off from the lighthouse. Because I was aiming at the lighthouse and now I'm aiming into you.
I'm going down. Well, almost get on 270. I'm watching it.
Yeah, I mean, it doesn't really matter, but we could. I just think Malone Bay to Hay Bay is such a short run that if we get up, I don't know.
Well, yeah.
What I'm gonna do too is, and it's because it's a lot more accurate, we got to get some strings. You take a string and you follow along the coastline,
Yeah.
and then you measure the string on the scale.
No, that's a little not bothered by anything.
Actually, according to Candy Peterson, that's actually a distress call, and the other one is I'm all good. She was telling me how it really bothers her that you hear that sound because there's a nesting pair by Daisy Farm, and when it's making that sound, it means somebody's too close to its nest. Huh?
That guy was rude.
Yep,
I've never had anybody be that rude.
I know.
Well, except at the college.
Some people's lives are just miserable, I guess.
Some people are just miserable. I feel like I'm going.
I know, I feel like I'm paddling cockeyed too. I'm just aiming at the lighthouse.
I know, when I'm aiming at the lighthouse, you're coming up on the side of me.
You don't have to worry about me coming into you. I could spin this thing around in a heartbeat with the rudder. I will never get that close. You just have to trust me.
But yeah, it's a weird feeling.
Well, I'm trying to stay where you know where I'm at. But you don't have to worry about me paddling up and getting closer. It just won't happen. Not unless we know we're coming in close enough to touch or pass paddles. I think it's an illusion because the water's coming from like our 11 or 10 o'clock. So it makes it seem like we're going sideways. Now, can you see the double red diamonds on that sign next to the lighthouse? Yeah, that means danger, shoal. That means rocks are sticking out from there. Ben told me that. If there are two white diamonds, it means safe harbor.
Takes us 15 minutes to get across. Not even that. Crazy. And we didn't even paddle hard.
No. Yeah, I would like to get the Garmin to go on this breastplate thing right here because it kind of bugs me too. It pokes me in the underarm.
Yeah, I think this looks like it's supposed to mount something.
Yeah. 7 point something. It's only 7, it's not quite 8 miles even.
Yeah, 7.7.
Something like that. I thought it'd be longer.